Hello viewers, here is a box from the letter. Within the box are two fans. These are both fans that I have been looking for a very long time. One of which is not the most common variant, but you can find it if you look for it. The other one barely even exists. So let's take a look and see what we have. I've already opened the box. Well, I have not looked inside yet. Here's the first fan. This is the V fan. It's very powerful and moves a lot of air, and it's very difficult to come by. This is the only one known to exist. Next we have the Hampton Breeze high velocity fan. This is a patent relabel. And it looks like the sticker fell off. Well, we can fix that. It's there, it's in good shape. And we have the nuts to assemble the fan. So I'll go ahead and do that right quick here just so that it's easier to store. The blades have been prepped for refinishing. They are supposed to be black, although they really don't look out of place being silver either. Okay, so that's going to be a little bit more challenging than I expected it to be, so I think we'll do that on the bench at a later time. Make sure I don't lose this, because that will not be easy to replace. So there's that. Now the second fan that barely even exists is from that Robeson brand. The 20 inches box fan. There's a little bit too much tape on here. This is the Robeson 20-inch box fan with completely non-standard blade. Very, very interesting design. I don't really know of any other fans like this. Interestingly enough, the cabinet almost completely resembles like a basic liquid 223. But obviously the inside is Very different. It's got one of those junky little capacitors in there. Probably just go ahead and replace that. And it has what I believe is a Samsung motor made in Korea. Very interesting product. Very lightweight. This is one of the lightest box fans I've ever felt. That's not a complete piece of junk. So there we go. 2 fans from the letter H. The Hampton Breeze high velocity fan. I'm pretty sure that is the exact one that I remember seeing years ago. And the Robeson, although I've never seen it in person, is a fascinating piece. It looks like it's in excellent condition, which is kind of unusual for such a rare item to show up in great condition. Even the guards don't seem to be yellowed. So, very interesting. 2 great finds. That Hampton Breeze is going to need some work. We got to get that repainted. I got to strip the guards down and get all the rust off, but that should turn out okay. And well, the Robeson looks pretty much ready to go.